Alright guys, back with another video. This morning, it is like 80 degrees outside. I don't know what happened, but I think for the next 3 days, it's gonna be nice and cool. So, you know, I already went to the gym. I went for a hike up the mountain, took the dogs to the park. I'm ready to roll. Let's try out some of the P&S Xpress interior cleaner. I'll use it on the inside of my car. You can use this straight up or one-to-one. I'm gonna try it one-to-one. I've got my IK. These are those mini multi-pros. So I got about 200 milliliters of water. I'm gonna put 200 milliliters of product, one-to-one. And I've got some new brushes here I'm gonna try out. These are from Sudz Budz. They were sent to me, so I'm gonna try them out on the interior, and let's see how this goes, guys. All right, guys, the P&S products and the bottles I got over at Autoforge.net, the Sudz Budz. They were sent to me, but you can find them on Amazon. Look up Sudz Budz. And, you know, you want to clean out the interior. I don't have time for all of that, but you can see we've got some dirt, some dust. I'll get my light on. Okay, let's grab our brushes. I've got a towel. These are the Walmart towels. I don't really like these, so I'm trying to use up these yellow ones. The other towels on the rolls that they have are very good. We've got our oh, you know what? Let me make the one-to-one. I'm sorry. So, unscrew this thing here. Now I've got 200 milliliters. This is 200 milliliters. We're gonna bring it up to about right here. I know that seems like a lot, but it's fatter at the bottom. That's just the way it is. Let me get, you know what? These are these nifty spouts. They're just so handy. And let me get these, pour it in here. All right, we're about one-to-one. Oops. All right, guys, ignore this first part. I was spraying pure water because I hadn't gotten the solution through the hose in the bottle yet. I'm so stupid. Now, I tell you what, I didn't get much foaming. All right, let's try this again here. All right, so I know what's going on. Look at that, look at that. Nice foaming ability. All right, so the beginning, I had washed this bottle out and it was just water in the sprayer. So now we've got it running through. Let's try these other brushes here. Nice deep in the crack. Oh yeah, that works good. Let's try this one. Good for the piano black. Ooh, look at that. Nice suds. Woo, woo, woo. Now we're cooking with grease, guys. All right, very nice. Very, very nice. Cool. right, guys. Hey, that's some pretty good stuff. Xpress interior cleaner from P&S. 1-to-1, it foams up fantastic. And, you know, just using the Sudz Budz brushes really do a great job. Especially, I like this boar's hair. When it's soft enough, gets in there, I can get into the more rough areas. I like that. Now, I mean, I did everything. I even did some leather, some vinyl, steering wheels. I did rubber, door jambs, trunk jambs, whatever I could find. This stuff is pretty awesome. I'd say this is more of a heavy-duty cleaning type product where you get in there and you're scrubbing, right? So what if I want to add some protection to it? This leaves no residue, no protection. Somebody told me to mention this while I'm using P&S. Now, I don't know if they said to mix this with P&S, or if not, for sure, you could follow this with P&S. This has protection in it. So after you use the Xpress, go ahead and use the Swift. You can use the Swift to maintain. It's the quick cleaner and protection. Really cool. Sudz Budz, thanks for letting me try out the brushes. Appreciate it. Really like them. All three. You know, you got the 2 nylons, boar's hairs, the really soft nylon there, the more hard nylon, which is still soft. But, I mean, you've got like the plush nylon that's for that piano black. And the boar's hair, that's kind of the universal all around. Very nice products, guys. Enjoyed the P&S products. If you guys want these, go over to autoforge.net. You can get the bottles, IK bottles. You can get the P&S products. And if you go on Amazon, look up Sudz Budz, you can find all their brushes and stuff. We'll be using more of these products in the future, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.